Right, today, sun visors. So we've been having some fun with our Evoque and we have got some sun visors. So this is the sun visory kit. Now, right, why would you fit sun visors to your car? George, got any ideas?
Block out sun.
Block out the sun. Well, no. One, they look good. They add a little soft on the edge. Secondly, you can leave the windows down a bit and you don't get like that buffeting draft going in, but you get a bit of fresh air. I think if you were to leave your children or dogs in the car, not for very long, just for like 2 minutes, I don't want to destroy dogs, this is a dog friendly video, you could leave it down a bit without sort of, you know what I'm saying, a hole there, just ventilation. Or you might want to leave it open a bit at work and just let some fresh air circulate. Right, enough of that twaddle. Right, apparently smokers like them because they can sort of put the cigarette out, but we're not condoning smoking either, are we, George? Right, so what do you get in a kit? You get 4 of them. As you can see, they come with pre-applied double-sided adhesive. Obviously, 2 for the front, 2 for the rear. Before you stick anything on your car that's of a stick-on nature, always try it first. So, right, make sure you know where you're going to put it. Now, obviously, these don't go there. They don't go up above the door. They've got to go onto the door. And if you look, can you see that little sort of swage there, George?
Yeah.
You see how it goes? Now that goes over this step, because if you open the door slightly, you can see that this bit here sticks out further than that bit there. So that has got to go on there, like so. Now I reckon we can have, we've got the rubber seal, but I reckon we can have just a millimetre or 2 of paint showing, and I reckon that will fit on. Or maybe we'll go, actually I'm going to go just up to the edge of the paint so we can just see the rubber. Right, so once you're happy with that and you've worked out how you're doing it, we've worked it out and you check you've got no problems, you're ready to go. But before you peel the tape off, in the pack we'll supply a little one of these little alcohol wipe sachets. I've de-sachayed it, and what you want to do is you like, I can't remember if we could put 1 or 2 in, but now you know where it's going to stick, you need to go around and clear. And you're going to have to do both sides as well. But I'm just going to do the one for now, for the video. There we go. Then we're ready to peel. Why did the banana go to the doctors, George?
I don't know.
Because it wasn't peeling very well. See, that's almost a topical joke there. Oh, fail. Yeah, if it gets a bit dodgy on one corner, it's started. Just do the other corner, or you'll be there making a mess of it. That'll be fine. Right, here we go. Right, let's get it where we need to be. I'm going to start with that very tip up there. Right, I've got just that, and then I can move it all around. Then let me bring this in closer. There you go. Look at that. Right then. Now careful, you don't want to scratch it, so use a cloth just to press it on. Now these will be fine for a car wash, but don't take it through a car wash straight away. The other thing people get tempted to do with stick-on stuff is pull it off. How well's it stuck? But it takes about 24 hours for the tape to reach full strength. So don't go trying it. And also you don't really want to be doing this in the depths of winter, because the tape is not so good at sticking straight away. So you can get ones of these, different types of ones that sort of that have little clips that go under the rails, but these stick-on ones, to be honest, seem to be the best. So I'm gonna start at this front edge because I'm gonna see the 2 next to each other here. So there, I've got those, and then I'm gonna work towards the rear. That's it. There we go. And then that is the job done. So you want to walk around that, George, and have a look at that. That's wind deflectors fitted to the Range Rover Evoque.